Okay, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back again with me in the channel Bangki. This series is gonna be this video is gonna be end of this series. This final video of our series Food Store Peta Rasa. I think in before I say uh there is the last video of our series, but I have to adding again for the callback the payment gateway, but in this case we still on the local environment so that this callback is not work so that after that you have to deployment as your with yourself with your project self, and then this callback is gonna be work. Okay. For your information guys, when we starting the payment and this mitrans, the mitrans is sending webhook. Yes, namely is webhook. Yes, there is information payment to our website, and here is we gonna be creating the callback. The callback is the function of callback is to accepting the request webhook. uh this webhook is sending from a trans, and this callback we can do some condition, and the condition is to be organizing as we want it. Okay, let's make the example. If we the success, if we creating the payment and there is success payment, and the data is gonna be update stock. This will be update stock, and the status is update. And okay, anyway, we have to creating this controller notification handler first. There is command which partition make controller API callback controller mini, and this command its work. After this command its work, it's gonna be you get the new file one, the new one file. The namely is callback controller. It's on app http controllers API callback controller.php, and then the first one you have to import this model of transaction, and then we have to create the method of invoke. This method invoke is do some condition. The first one is creating the JSON content are we sending to mitrans, and the code just like this, payload and notification. And then we have to creating the variable. Sorry. Okay, and then we creating the variable, and the variable it's gonna be inside of signature key data, and then we have to compiling or me to the variable notification on above, and then if this value of notification and valid signature it's not same, so that the return of this code is 403, and then but the signature key is coming out is found. uh it will be to query to the table transaction by data order or by ID order or invoice was sending to mitrans. Okay, after that we have to do some checking the payment condition just like this. If the transaction is captured, okay, if transaction is captured and there is credit card, exactly as we say it's credit card, and then the first condition is settlement. settlement is success, it will be success status. And else if pending, the pending is gonna be pending, then it is failed. And expired is gonna be expired status. And the cancel, it will be failed too. And then after that we have to creating root API to call back payment gateway. Firstly, we have to decided to publish configuring to public configuration file root for API on this Laravel project. Okay, guys, you have to create the command PRSP artisan install API, and then go to the routes and API. And after you running this command, it will be uh, one file coming out. And then there is we are adding the new route with bot methods and the URL, the callback. Okay, and we go to the redirecting to callback controller. Okay, just like this, guys. After this, you have to deployment or your project to production mode. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to share to your friends if your friends is having a trouble for the code of the callback. Okay, thank you guys. Say goodbye to me and forget to still keep learning and then keep spirit. Bye.